Hey everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about your first notes on an alto saxophone. I'll be going over a beginner lesson for playing them. So I'm going to be showing you how to play and telling you how to play your first few notes on the alto saxophone, okay? Once you're set up and ready to go, all that you need to do is practice, and I'm going to show you exactly where to put your fingers, what to do with your lips, and how to play those notes. So the first note that I want to go over is your G. Okay, so to play your G, I'm doing this in the car, so bear with me. To play your G, you want to get your fingers in the correct resting positions, and you want to push 1, 2, 3. So these first three right here, 1, 2, 3. If you don't know where to place your fingers to rest them, then be sure to go check out my full how to play an alto saxophone tutorial, because I go over how to rest where to rest your fingers, what to do with your mouth, and so forth. So 1, 2, 3 together, and it's gonna sound something like this. Now don't press any other valves by accident. Just 1, 2, and 3, okay? With your left hand, 1, 2, and 3. So your index finger, your middle finger, and your ring finger with your left hand. It's gonna sound like this. Just like that. Now from that, we can go up to an A, which is just 1 and 2. So I can release this third finger, and it's just 1 and 2 with our left hand. And this is the A. Then we can go up even further to a B, which is just 1. So now we're just 1 over here. Just like that. And then you can go between those three. So you can basically do G, which is 1, 2, 3, A, which is 1 and 2, and then B, which is 1. So G, A, B, just like that. Now some of these valves are a little bit sticky, so bear with me if it takes a moment for them to sort of unstick after I release them. It's gonna sound like this. Let's try that one more time. Okay, give me a second here. Sorry, I'm trying to get the right position here while not bumping my head. I'm gonna have to go like this, okay? Let's try that one more time. Let me wet the reed once again. Just like that, we should be good to go. Now that da-da is because it's sticky, so I do apologize, okay? Okay, now once you've learned those three notes, we can go from G, which is 1, 2, and 3, we can go down, okay? So from G, which is 1, 2, 3, we can go down to 1, 2, 3, 4. Now with our right index finger, we're pressing that valve right there. Okay, so we're going down 1, 2, 3, 4 from G to F. Okay, I apologize if I said the wrong note, I can't remember. But from G, we're going to F, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're gonna go down even further, okay, to E, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we're adding in the middle finger. And then we're gonna go down even further to D, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The right ring finger, like this. Okay, so from G, which is just 1, 2, 3 on the left hand, we're gonna go down 1, 2, 3, 4 with the right hand now. 5, 6. Perfect. So we can go up from G, or we can go down from G. Bet you didn't see that one coming, eh? That's a bonus one. I don't recommend it when you're beginning, but you get your pinky, and you, in addition to doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you pop it on this one right here. This little bad boy right here at the bottom of these, and you crank out that one right there. That's it. I wanted to throw in a little curveball. If for anyone that clicked away on the video thinking, oh, I'm done, well, you missed that little bonus right there. That's it. Those are your first notes on your alto saxophone. I think I did 6, 7, no, I think I did 6, technically 7 at the end, something like that. I don't know how many I covered, but those are your first notes. They're the easiest to deal with. Definitely learn those ones first, and then you can go into lower notes and then higher notes, which is altissimo. Sorry, I got scared because I heard like a I thought something was happening with the car, but the saxophone is just drifting down on the seat, and it's rubbing against the leather and the rubber and stuff. So anyways, sorry if I looked a little bit shocked there, but yeah, then you can go into the lower notes and then altissimo, which are like the highest notes, right? But you got to learn those ones first, the ones that I showed you in the video. That's it. Remember, practice makes perfect. And if you can appreciate the fact that I did this video all in the car, as well as all of the other saxophone videos that I've done throughout the day today, I did them all in the car. So, you know, if you have an appreciation for that, the fact that I still got the videos done, quality videos in my opinion. In this situation, smash that like button. Let's get this video liked up, baby. Let's do it. And that's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.